Hi, my name is Cindy Olson, and I am going to do the story equations assignment from week 3 for math. And I'll show you each of my pages that I did and how I did it. The first one, the problem that we're working on is 27/4 divided by 3/4 equals 9. So what I did was I did a line here, and I did divided it out and did a total of 27/4 all the way across, which is actually broken down into 6 3/4 across. And then we jumped. How many jumps would 3/4 go all the way until you get to the 27/4 or 6 3/4? And the total amount of jumps, oops, I'm sorry, I'm not even on the screen. Total amount of jumps is 9. And then my story to go along with it is John has 27/4 pieces of pie. Each person gets 3/4 of a pie. How many people can John feed? So I did another little diagram down at the bottom here too, with each pie broke out into fourths, and I did 20. There's a total of 27 pieces on here. And I did 3 go to person 1, 3 go to person 2, 3 go to person 3, and so on all the way through till you get all the pieces used up, which comes to 9. Problem number 2 is 9 times 3/4 equals 27/4. And what I did on that one is my story is there are 9 students in class. Each student gets 3/4 of a piece of a chocolate bar. How many pieces will the teacher need? So what we did was we did a chocolate bar that has 4 pieces. It's all broke down into 4 pieces. And again, we did 3/4 of it goes to each person. So person 1 gets 3 pieces. Then you do the last one in there and add 2 more to the next piece. And you keep using up all the pieces until you get all the way through, and you come out with 27/4. So 9 people got 3/4 of a chocolate bar, and that comes out to a total amount of pieces is 27/4. If you break 27/4 down, it'll also go to 6 whole pies and 3/4 of a extra pie, or 6 3/4 total pies that were used. Number 3 is 3/4 divided by 27/4 equals 1/9. My story to go along is Bob pours 3/4 of a cup of sugar into a bowl that holds 27/4 cups. How much of the bowl did she fill? So with my diagram here, we took and divided the bowl up into 27 total pieces, which also breaks down to 6 3 cups. So there's 4 pieces per cup. I'm sorry, I hope you can see that. 4 pieces per cup, and then it goes all the way up to 6 3/4 pieces, or 27/4. Now once I shaded 3/4 of 1 cup, which is what is up here, once I shaded that, I've seen how many times can I do that to use up the total amount, and it came out to 1/9. So 1/9 of this total is actually shaded in, is 1/9 of the bowl is actually filled with the sugar. And number 4. 3/4 times 9 equals 27/4. Each person that came to the party brought 3/4 of a pie. A total of 9 people showed up for the party. How many total pieces would you have? So if we have 9 people showing up for the party, I did 9 pies because they each brought 1, and each person got 3/4 of each pie. So there's a total of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 total pieces were used, or 27 total pieces is what you would have to use. So the answer would be 27/4 pieces of pie. That would be the total amount that 9 students brought. And thank you very much.